It might be tempting to think of natural selection acting exclusively on survival ability, but, as the concept of fitness shows, that's only half the story. When natural selection acts on mate finding and reproductive behavior, biologists call it sexual selection.
There goes my PG rating again. Oh well. I guess since the birds do it, bees do it, even monkeys in the trees do it, let's do it! Let's discuss natural selection acting on mate finding and reproductive behavior! The paragraph above is supposed to convince us that certain traits evolve because of mating. A female prefers long feathers, so the male evolves long feathers. But suppose a female prefers long feathers, but the males don't have them. If she decides not to mate because they don't have what she likes, the mutation which caused those feelings die with her. On the other hand, if the males have long feathers but she doesn't prefer them, she'll mate with the short-feathered brothers and the long-feathered genes go away. The only way to get a peacock is if he has fabulous plumage and she prefers it within the same generation and the same population, which is what you would get as a result of creation by God on a Thursday, for example. Also, there is the fact that the peacock, while the height of fashion, doesn't seem to be adapted for self-defense. It seems that natural selection favors the males who are less likely to survive. Hey, someone want to tell me how birds with feathers that don't attract every predator within 100 miles somehow are less fit than the NBC logo over here? And even if we can do a natural selection bait and switch and pretend natural selection somehow creates the fabu plumage, that pales in comparison to the problem which arises when you try to figure out how asexual animals became sexual animals in the first place. When the first female evolved, was the male already there waiting for her? And why would natural selection choose a complex, two-member system instead of the one-member split like it had, on this view, for 99% of the history of life? You don't see male and female bacteria, and supposedly, they ruled the Earth for 3 billion years.